Hey bro, I heard you're great at modding the XR. Can you turn my $200 XR into a 15 Pro?
You got an XR for just $200?
Yeah, just $200. Turn it into a 15 Pro, so I can show it off.
Turn it into a 15 Pro?
Yeah.
But your screen is broken.
Do you have a flat screen? Replace it with a flat screen for me.
Sure, I'll get you a flat screen. What color do you want?
Blue, do you have it?
Blue? Yeah, I have this blue one.
Yes, that's the blue. Turn it into this blue for me.
The frame is also brushed.
Okay.
So, I'll turn it into this. Is that good?
Great. Arrange it as soon as possible.
Okay, I'll arrange it right away. Today, we received an iPhone XR from a fan who brought it in for modification. According to him, he bought this iPhone XR for $200 at a seafood market, as you can see. This is a Chinese mainland version with 128 gigabytes. The screen is already broken. This is the modification kit we'll use to turn the XR into a 15 Pro in blue. The frame is also made of brushed material. It looks really nice. Next, we'll open the phone and start the modification. First, we insert a blade into the screen and pry it open a bit, then gently slide a fingernail to open the screen. Once the screen is opened, you can see that the inside of the device is very clean and tidy. The motherboard has no signs of previous repairs. This device that the fan bought at the seafood market is safe to use. We disconnect the screen cables and remove the screen. Then, we proceed to remove all the screws one by one. Next, we'll go through the entire disassembly and reassembly process. I won't explain each step in detail here, so please enjoy watching. Oh, by the way, my wife recently mentioned she doesn't want her hips to be as sexy as this lady's. She hopes I'll buy her a treadmill so she can exercise at home and get a slimmer figure. Please recommend some treadmills to me. Thanks. Some people quietly watch the video but secretly like, comment, share, repost, favorite, follow, and watch till the end. Such people are so adorable. Please note that we're only modifying the appearance, so don't try to imitate this at home. Okay, the phone is now fully modified. We replaced it with a flat screen that doesn't protrude. The back frame is a large 3-color brush design. It looks perfect and really nice. That's it for this video. If you liked it, please give Big Brother a follow and a like. If you have any thoughts on modified phones, feel free to leave a comment. Everyone is welcome to join the discussion.